Hello world, welcome to Decode Mania. I am Sahil and I am developing a web application on selling digital content with a Stripe payment gateway integration using Bootstrap for jQuery, PHP and MySQL. In previous video, you have seen that how I have created this ad product page. Now this is the third video of the series in which I am going to show you how to fetch all products from database and display in the home page. Okay, so let's start. So this is our project. Okay, so first I will create a new file. So just create a new file, index.php. Now inside this file, first what I will do is I will write a title for this page. Okay, so here I will write selling digital content with Stripe payment gateway integration using PHP and MySQL. Okay, now next I have to include Bootstrap CDN link in this file also. Okay, so go to add -product.php file and from here just copy this link tag and paste here. Okay, again just come here and copy these two, jQuery and bootstrap.bundle.min.js CDN link, and paste here. Okay, now here I will start designing this home page. Okay, so first what I will do is I will create a container. Now inside this container I will first display a heading at the top. Okay, so for this I am using h2. Okay, actually I will use h3. Okay, and then I will just use the same text, title text, so just copy and paste. Now I will assign some Bootstrap class to this h3 tag. Okay, like text center. Okay, and then font weight bold and text secondary and margin top 3. Okay, if we save this and just come here and go to home page, now you can see the heading is displaying. Okay, now next actually just remove this one to display in a one line. Okay, now here just use HR to display a horizontal line. Now next, just below this HR I will create a row. Okay, now inside this row I will define columns to display each product individually. Okay, but before I will write PHP code here to fetch all the products from the database. Okay, so for this I will write PHP codes here. So first I will include this config.php file here. So just write config.php file, and we have to create an object of config class. So just use config new config. Okay, now next I will now declare a variable SQL, and inside this I will write SQL query select all from products table order by ID descending. Okay, now just create a statement variable and using config object we will access con variable and then prepare method. Okay, just pass SQL. Next we have to execute the statement, so just use execute method, and then we have to get all the products in any variable. So I am creating here products variable equal to statement, and then I will use fetch all method. Okay, next I will use for each loop to loop through all the products. Okay, so just write products as row. Okay, just use colon here, and here just close the for each loop. Okay, so here I will write end for each loop. Okay, and just between this opening and closing for each loop I will design our column, okay, to display each product. Okay, so here what I will do is I will create a column with class call lg3 and call md6. Actually, just give hyphen here, and then inside this column I will create a card with class card and class shadow. Okay, and then I will use img tag. Now in src we have to write the path of the product image. Okay, so here I will use uploads and then images. Okay, now here we will display the product image dynamically. Okay, so using row, here I will write product underscore image column name. Okay, and I will not use alt tag here, so just remove it. Instead I will use class, bootstrap class. So here I will use card img top and padding 3. Okay, now just below this image I will create card body, and I will also give padding top to 0. Okay, now inside this card body first I will display the product name. Okay, so I will use h5 tag, and I will also use a class card title. Okay, now using PHP shorthand tag I will use row and then write the column name product underscore name. Okay, now just below this I will display the product description. Okay, so for this I will create a div with class card text and margin top and bottom 2. Okay, now here I will use row product underscore dsc for product description. Okay, now next I will display a button, buy now button. Okay, so for this I will create a button, and here I will write buy now. Okay, and I will also assign some bootstrap class to this button like btn danger, btn block, and rounded pill. Okay, and I will also assign a custom class to this button. Okay, so here I will use buy underscore now underscore btn. Okay, and I will also use an id to this button. Okay, so in id I will display the current id of the product. Okay, so here I will use PHP shorthand tag row and then id. Okay, if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then you can see we have only one product in the database, and that product is displaying here. Okay, with a button buy now and product image, product name, and product description. Now let's display the price also in this button. Okay, so for this here I will use PHP shorthand tag, and then I will use a PHP function that is number format. Okay, and here I will use row and then product underscore price. Okay, now here I will use 0, so I will not display any digit after decimal, so that's why here I have written 0, and I will also use a decimal point, this dot, and thousand separator, this comma. Okay, now if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then you can see the price here. Okay, but before price I will also display rupee symbol. Okay, so for this here, if you are using dollar, then you can simply just write dollar before this like this, and I am displaying rupee symbol, so I have to write a code for this ampersand hash and then 8377. Okay, if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then you can see the rupee symbol here. Okay, So fetching and displaying the product is completed. Now we will add more product to the database, and when product added to the database, the product will automatically display here in this home page. Okay, so let's add some product. So just copy this address and come here and write add hyphen product.php file. Okay, now here this is my blog decodemania.com. so I am just going to add some digital content. Okay, so suppose I will add this one first. So just copy the project name and then product price like 1500 and select some product description from this post. Okay, just copy it and paste here. Now select the product image. Okay, so I have already downloaded the product image. Okay, so let me make large icons. Okay, so this is responsive login and registration. So just select the product image and select the project files. Okay, so this is the project files and click on add product. Now you can see product added successfully. Now if you come here and refresh, then you can see the product added successfully here. Now let's add more product. Okay, so next I will add this product RESTful API. Okay, so just copy and the price will be 2000. Product description, just copy it and paste here. Select the product image and select the project files. Okay, so this is the project files. Click on add product. Now you can see product added successfully. If you refresh here, then you can see the product is displaying here with all the details. Okay, now let's add one more product in this responsive admin panel. Okay, so just copy the project name and project price 1000, project description, just copy and paste here. Select the product image. This is the product image and select the project files. Okay, and click on add product. Okay, you can see product added successfully. Now close this and refresh. So you can see 3 products are displaying here with all the details. Okay, and this is the dummy product. So let me delete this one from the database. So open your PHP MyAdmin and this is the database stripe_digital and this is the products table. Okay, so just delete this one. Now refresh. Now you can see only 3 products are left here, and if you go to the uploads directory, then all the products images in the images directory are copied and all the projects files are copied into this files directory. Okay, so this is how to fetch all the products from the database and display in the home page. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to start integrating a Stripe payment gateway in this application. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video and also subscribe my channel. See you soon in next video.